Hi, welcome to Code Chappy. Today we're going to see the demo for disease predictions app using machine learning project. Let's see how to start the project. These are the project folders. These are the project files. First, open the Visual Studio Code and open it. These are the Visual Studio Code. In left side, import the project files. These are the project files. First, you can view the download files, SRC document, readme files. You can click the SRC. All source codes are there. These are the source code. Next, open the readme files in Notepad++. You can view all the details in readme++. You can view all the details in readme files. This is for projects or database project. Next, open the pgadmin4 and open in run as administrator. These are the pgadmin4. You can view all the details. Import the SQL files. First create the database and next import the SQL files. You can view all the details. Next, go to the readme files. What are the next step? You can view it. Next step, cd plus command prompt. First, open the Anaconda prompt. Always open in run as administrator. These are the Anaconda prompt. First command, you can copy the project path. You can copy the project path and paste the prompt. Enter it. Next, go back to the readme files. You can view if you want to install the requirements, you can copy the command and paste the prompt. You can automatically requirements are installed. Next, you can go to the next step. If you want to run the project, you can copy the command and paste the prompt and enter it. These are the path servers. You can copy the path server and paste the web browser. Next, go to the project explanations. These are the predict disease and doctor consultations project using machine learning project. You can view all the details. There are 3 models: admin, doctor, patients. First, go to the doctor models. If you want to log in, you can log in. First, you can create the doctor. Create a new account. If you want to create new account, you can enter the details, doctor details. Go back to the home page. Click patient. Go to the patient login. If you want to create a new patient details, you can click the sign up. You can enter all the details. Once you enter, you can automatically register. Go to the logins. You can go to the readme files. You can all login details are there. You can view all login details. First, patient login details. User test. Enter the username and password is test. Click login. Login successfully. These are the patient models. You can view the profiles, patient profiles. You can click view profile and view it. These are the models. Check disease, view consultation history, give feedback. Click check disease. If you want to add the symptoms, you can automatically predict the disease. You can click the symptoms. If you want to add, you can add, for example, cough or anything. You can add it. Symptoms. Next, you can add another more examples for symptom list. You can add more symptoms. Anything you can choose it. If you want to in another more symptoms, you can enter it. Next, you can click the predict. You can automatically predict the disease and scores. You can view all the details. First you can view the patient details, patient name and age. Once you choose the symptoms, you can automatically view the predict disease. Next you can confidence score. What are this? 81% are this is for the common cold. If you want to more details for common cold, you can click it and more details. Next, if you want to consult the doctors, you can consult the doctor. You can view the consult doctor. Two doctors are there. If you want to view the profiles, you can view it. Next, if you want to consult, you can click consult. If you want to consultation, these are the consultations. You can view all the details. Predict disease. First you can view the disease details. You can view all the details. Consultation status are active. You can view. Next you can view the patient details. Next you can view the doctor details. You can choose what are the chosen doctor. You can view the details. Next you have only the consultations of the chat box. If you want to enter the consultations, if you want to enter the hi doctor, I am Kavya, what are the enter, you can automatically reply in doctor sites. Hi doctor, I am Kavya, please record the my disease, my health, anything you can enter it. What are the chat box, you can view the doctor side in and you can reply. Okay, if you want to in another write it, you can enter it. These are the user side, you can enter the questions. So what are the questions you ask in, you can enter it. Next you can click the view consultation history. What are the consultations, you can view the details. What are the creates a consultation, you can automatically consultation history is active. If you want to consult, you can click the consult. You can what are the consult, you can view it. Okay, will require the doctor side, you can reply the answer. What are the reply, you can view it. You can view in the chat box. Okay, next go to the profile, you can click the give feedback. If you want to create a new feedback, enter the feedback. For example, thank you or anything, you can enter it. Click submit it. Feedback submitted successfully. Now log out the user models. Let's move the doctor login. Click doctor login. Enter doctor username and password. If you want to any can view it, you can view it. Login successfully. Can view the doctor profiles. If you want to view profiles, you can view it. Doctor profile, these are the two models. View consultation institute. Who are all user side, you can create it. You can view the doctor side. What are the predict disease name, consultation date, consultation status, patient email ID. If you want to view the patient profiles, you can click view profile. You can view all the details in patient side. Name. Next you can, if you want to consultant, you can click consult. You can what are the user side created questions, you can view the questions and you can reply it. Doctor side only reply it. This is for the consultations. What are the questions asked for a question, the user side, you can reply the answer side. Okay, doctor side. What are the solutions disease, what are the solutions for the disease, you can enter all the details in doctor side. Next you can view the system symptoms, predict disease. You can view all the details, user profiles, doctor profiles, you can view it. If you want to consult, you can view the consult details also, you can view it. If you want to another more consulted, you can view it. This is for the listers symptoms, what disease, you can view it. Next you can click the give feedback. If you want to enter the feedback, next you can submit it successfully. Now log out the doctor modules. Let's move the patient login. Enter patient username and password. Click login successfully. You can click the view consultation doctor. You can, what are the consult, you can view it. You can click consult, you can view all the details. What are the tablet, you can take it. You can, what are the doctor side created, you can view it. User side, okay, you can view all the details. And now log out the user modules. Let's move the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin username and password. Click sign in. Click manage user data. You can click manage user. All the managers manage for the, this is for the Django administrations. You can view all the details. If you want to cancellations, you can, what are the cancellations, if you want to managing the models like edit or save, delete options are there. If you want to feedback, what are the feedbacks you can create it. You can, if you want to change the feedback, you can automatically change in only the admin side. Managing the all models. If you want to review, rating the review, you can view what are the ratings. If you want to view all the details. If you want to delete options are there. If you want to add rating reviews, you can add it. Now come back to the home page. Click view user feedback. What are the user feedback, you can create it, you can view it. What are the create, what date created, what time, you can automatically view it. Sender, what feedbacks, what are the, you can send it in user, you can view all the details. Now log out the admin models. That's all about the explanations. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.